video by Stands Auto Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to set your locks on your door via when you hit your key fob. If your car does just one lock and then you got to hit it again to get all doors unlocked, you can change that setting. Mine's set this way because normally I have my daughter in the car, so I don't want her to be able to unlock the doors. So in order to unlock all of them, you'd have to manually press this button from inside the car, or you hit it with both. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock all the doors. Now we're gonna go to configure on your radio. Now if you have an aftermarket radio, I have no clue how to help you. You have to have the actual radio that's in this. This should work from anywhere from 2010 all the way up to 2015. I'm not for sure after that what the radios, but you probably have the configure button. You can check languages, date and time, radio settings, phone settings, vehicle settings, comfort and convenience, lighting, power door locks, unlock door anti-lock on, auto door unlock, driver's door off, all doors. Okay, back, remote lock unlock start, remote lock feedback, lights horn, lights only, horn only, remote door unlock, driver door, all doors, back, back, back. Now watch, I hit the unlock, every single lock just undid. Hit lock, they all unlock. So now let's roll the window up real quick. This works in LS, LT, LTZs. Okay, so now I'm going to lock the car, set the door alarm. Boom. Watch. Lock, alarm set, unlocked. Every door, thanks door handle, every door is now unlocked with just one push of the button. That is how you do it. So for some of you that say it can't be done, I hate to tell you, you're liars. But other thing is I'm making this video because I seen a comment on the Chevy Cruze Facebook page on how to do it, and so far people saying you can't. Well, yes you can. Oh, by the way, thank you for watching, and always remember, if it's broke, fix it, but fix it before it breaks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.